Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pankaj Burman, a cybersecurity enthusiast, and in today's video I'm going to show you an example of cross-site scripting. Those who don't know, cross-site scripting is an injection vulnerability, or you can say a script injection vulnerability, in which we need to inject malicious payload to exploit the website. And there are three types of cross-site scripting vulnerability: reflected, stored, and DOM or document object module based cross-site scripting vulnerability. To be more specific, today I'm going to discuss about reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability. Before starting out today's video, I just want to warn you guys that don't try to penetrate any website without any permission. This is the backend code for today's website, but as we are dealing with client-side vulnerability, we don't need to worry about the backend code. And before describing the other functionalities, I'm showing you the website for better understanding. And this is the website, and there is a page called members, and in the members page you guys can see there is a function to add members in the list. And if I put random values in this page like this and close the form, you guys can see it reflects the value in the web page. This is the HTML code for the members page, and there is a form to get user input to add members. And to add member in the web page, I'm using two functions. One, get data to get the form data from the HTML form, and then add new div to add the given data in a div tag using this HTML syntax in the HTML code. You guys may notice that I didn't filter the user given data to add in the HTML portion, which indicates it to be vulnerable. So let's try to exploit the vulnerability. First of all, adding members, and I'm filling a random value in the ID and graduation years, but the name field I'm adding a JavaScript code or payload with the image tag with blank source and on error to generate a pop-up with the value 1, and on clicking on add it generates a pop-up. This is the div tag that has been added on each form submission, and when we are sending these values along with the payload to the input field, it replaces the value field and add it to the HTML code and triggers the alert function. You guys might be thinking that it's very common as I have given JavaScript code to add in the HTML portion, but web pages are not generally meant to be triggered by a user given JavaScript payloads, so it's a vulnerability. And cross-site scripting can be used to get other users credential and session tokens